It's very hard to find short-term volunteers, but when we are talking about long-term volunteers, I can say, and I'm happy for this, that we receive different emails through internet, different phone calls from all over Italy. Of course, we have these regional priorities, so we try to give as much as we can opportunities to young people coming from Puglia, our region, especially from Altamura, of course. But I'm really, really happy to say that we have different volunteers calling us from everywhere, and most of them are very, very motivated to do something abroad as volunteering. Most of them, they just are interested, to know if they will get paid for this or something like that. But I can say that 70-80% of the people that contact us are very motivated to do volunteering abroad, which is something that I really appreciate. Yeah, so they just come themselves. We don't have to look for long-term volunteers, because as I said, from the 2003 we increased a lot the numbers of people we send. So once they are back, they tell their friends, and these friends will do the same. So that's the best way to promote EVS, just let them do it themselves.
Principalement pour le long terme, c'est quand même le bouche à oreille qui fonctionne, justement par ce phénomène de groupe qui fait que il faut avoir une expérience de mobilité, donc ils se refilent un peu les bons tuyaux pour savoir où trouver des structures d'envoi, et c'est principalement ça. Internet aussi fonctionne pas mal avec notre nouveau site, ça fonctionne bien, mais c'est vrai que ça sert plutôt de support. Ils entendent parler de la 10 par le bouche à oreille, ils vérifient sur Internet et après ils nous contactent.
We do some promotions, some presentations. We've had a member of staff that's been targeting sort of universities and that type of target group, young people who are graduates. Again, quite a lot of people, it's word of mouth, so we do get a lot of volunteers where we've sent a volunteer, they refer their friends, and that tends to be, we tend to work fairly local unless it's on a recommendation. So if a volunteer from London asks that we'll send them, we would normally refer them to another organisation, unless they say, oh, you sent my friend and they were really happy, and then we tend to sort of retain them as a volunteer. Some look at our website, sometimes the British Council refers us as an ascending organisation and they get the contact details from there.